So I've been using POCO F1 for the past 2 months. So in today's video I'm gonna share my thoughts about the device. Let's start with the performance. It's got a Snapdragon 845 along with either 6GB RAM or the 8GB RAM. I chose the 6GB variant because I feel 6GB of RAM is more than enough for me. This phone does an amazing job in handling my day-to-day usage. Say switching from one application to other or playing heavy games, it can do it all with no difficulties. Liquid cooling is found in this device and this does an amazing job while doing heavy tasks. It keeps the phone cool almost all the time. The overall performance of this device is really good. Moving on to the software, it's running on MIUI. I recently updated to MIUI 10. My past experience with MIUI has been real good, but I personally think this device would have been a lot better if they would have launched it with Android 1. Let's talk about the design. It's made up of polycarbonate aka plastic. Though it is a plastic phone, my hands-on experience with it was really good. The plastic build didn't bother me much because anyway I'm just gonna throw on a case. So yeah. Moving on to the camera, it's got a dual camera setup. The primary one is a 12 megapixel, secondary one is a 5 megapixel, secondary one is used for portrait shots. The overall camera performance is really good. Under broad daylight condition, it captures amazing photos. The details are captured well. The dynamic range is good. The color reproduction is also fine. I really like the portrait mode and the AI mode which is found in this camera. At low light condition, the rear camera does an okay job. So it's got a 20 megapixel front facing camera, does an amazing job in broad daylight condition. The portrait mode is really good. My overall experience with this camera has been really good. It does an amazing job for this price point. Moving on to the video part, it can shoot 1080p videos with stabilization, that is EIS, but it can't shoot 4K videos with that. And it's got a slow motion mode where it can capture 1080p at 240 frames per second, which is really good. After the road trip, I got to know my phone's true battery life potential. I left my home with 100%. I had my phone's GPS and mobile data turned on almost all the time. After reaching my destination, I had almost 19%. I just left it, I didn't charge. The next day morning, it had just lost almost like 3%. So it's got an excellent battery life and the standby of this device has been really good. So this phone has got Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 which comes in handy. Now let's take a moment to talk about the phone's display. It's got an Full HD Plus display. It's got an 84% NTSC color gamut. That means tasks like photo editing is really good in this device. My media consumption has also been good thanks to the stereo speaker setup, and the audio output from the 3.5mm headphone jack is also really good. Fingerprint scanner is really fast and the IR face unlock is my another favorite feature in this device. Putting that all aside, if you just see this as a phone for 21,000, the value which you've been getting from this is really good. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon. Until then, it's me signing off. Peace out.